Brainy Quotes. For the most part, Islam is about peace. It's dealing with submission to the Most High. Muhammad is a prophet, a messenger. But at the same time, we'll fight in the name of Allah. We're not going to let you disrespect our prophet. Yes, love indeed is light from heaven, a spark of that immortal fire with angels shared, by Allah given to lift from earth our low desire. All of the people are the dependents of Allah. I seek truth over a lie, I seek justice over injustice, I seek righteousness over the rewards of evildoers, and I love Allah more than I love the state. Just as Islam literally means peace, none of the 99 names of Allah mean violence. Similarly, every religion in the world stands for peace, compassion, and brotherhood. The underprivileged are the only privileged ones in the eyes of Allah. The fact is I have lost a fight, and I accept the loss from Allah. That's the way a real fighter and a real man goes out. I have to ask Allah's forgiveness and not get angry, because they come to me out of love, and it's not fitting that I should turn to them in hatred. The universal Zulu nation stands to acknowledge wisdom, understanding, freedom, justice, and equality, peace, unity, love, and having fun, work, overcoming the negative through the positive, science, mathematics, faith, facts, and the wonders of God, whether we call him Allah, Jehovah, Yahweh, or Jah.